So you are already an investor in Philippine stock market and gusto mong malaman yung mga tips and tricks that you can use in your actual trades. So this will make things easier for you, lalo na kung baguhan ka pa lang sa stock market. So in this video, tuturuan ko kayo ng how you can do some shortcuts while you are actually trading, while you are doing your buy and sell orders. And then I will also point out to you to some resources that you can use while you are starting. And lastly, so i-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga traps na pwede nyong makita na ginagawa ng ibang tao para i-mislead kayo sa mga social media forums. So I will be doing this with our online stockbroker, colfinancial.com. If wala ka pa namang account kay COL Financial, meron akong previous video discussing yung online application. So, hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng bahay for you to open your own account. In fact, pwede mong magamit yung iyong mobile phone. So, kailangan mo lang ng phone and internet and you can accomplish the entire process, the entire application online. And in our previous video, so assuming meron ka ng account kay COL Financial, in this video, shinare ko yung very basics about navigating yung online platform, yung user interface, because medyo overwhelming ito for newbies. So in that video, I shared yung very basics, how to navigate it, and how to do your first buy and sell orders, and other tips na pwede nyong magawa inside your COL account. And if you want to learn more about investing in Philippine stock market, so make sure to go to this site, download your ebook, and it will direct you to other resources that you can use. And for other practical videos, you can subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the notification bell so that you get updated for every future video that I'm gonna share with you guys. So with that said, let's go back to our lesson for today, investing tips and tricks. And let's go to colfinancial.com website. So now this is the website of colfinancial.com. So make sure to enter your login credentials and click login. And you will be brought dito sa kanilang homepage. And again, this can be very overwhelming, no, if you are a new investor. So you can check out my previous video if you want to learn more about how to read the information available here, how to do quotations, how to do and place your first buy and sell order, how to access the research, and some other street smart and mutual fund resources. But right now, ang i-share ko ngayon is yung mga shortcuts that you can do in your actual trades. So number one is ito actually yung quick links. So do you know that meron ditong quick links which allows you to go to different pages ni COL Financial in one click. So for example, if you want to place an order, normally ang gagawin mo, you will have to go to trade and enter order. But with these quick links, you can just click this order and you will be brought dito sa order entry screen. So hindi mo na kailangang maglaro sa mga menu-menu. You just have to click whatever page you want to access here. And pwede mo rin halimbawa ma-check dito yung portfolio with a single click. So this one. So right now I have this gain. I can actually sell this. And then if you want to view your order, so pwede mo rin ilagay dito. And then charting. So if you're an active trader, this is also available. And if meron ka namang specific page na under kay COL Financial na gusto mong ilagay dito, kasi very limited lang to, no? This is just 6 options. Pwede mong iset yan dito sa My Settings. And dito sa baba, ayan, Quick Links. So you can select whatever functions you want to be included under your Quick Links. So this allows you to go to different pages, order entry, portfolio, charting, watch list in a very quick manner. So again, in trading kasi there are times na kailangan mabilis yung action mo, mabilis kang mag-place ng buy and sell. So this resource will be applicable in that case. The second trick that I'm going to share with you is if you want to display several pages all at once, normally ang gagawin mo is magra-right click ka. So, halimbawa, punta ka dito sa trade portfolio. Normally, ang gagawin mo is magra-right click but wala siyang available dito. But what you can do is go dito sa tab ng iyong browser and dito ka ngayon mag-right click and click duplicate. So, in this way, you are able to open several tabs in one browser. Dito, meron ka dito halimbawa homepage, and then dun sa first duplicate mo, halimbawa, you can go to your portfolio. Ayan, para makita mo yung gain and loss mo, halimbawa. And then you can further duplicate this. And halimbawa, dito mo naman i-display yung quotation ng stocks. So, halimbawa, quotation. Ayan, so JFC. Makikita mo yung current quotation. So yun, so you can duplicate this several times, and kung ano man yung gusto mong ma-display na page, so isi-set mo lang siya dito. So halimbawa, this one, you can open charting. Ayan, so on this charting, pwede mong makita yung price action. So in our future video, I-explain ko further how you can make use of this charting feature ni colfinancial.com. But that's our second tip, no? You can duplicate para ma-access mo yung different pages. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-navigate dito, but you can just select and click. So, parang quick link siya, but mas marami ka na ngayong options. And then the third tip that I can share with you is how you can place a quick buy and sell orders. Again, if you are an active trader, halimbawa day trader ka, mahalaga yung time sa'yo, no? So, pwedeng matagal ka mag-enter ng order, tapos naiwan na yung gusto mong price. So what you can do to prevent that from happening is you can actually click on this quote section ng stocks. So halimbawa, if I will click this price ng Jollibee dito, so click ko lang yan and pupunta na siya kagad dito sa entry order screen. So kinuha niya na kagad yung price. Kung ano yung i-click mo dito, halimbawa you're gonna click this price na under ng bid, so magiging sell siya. So in effect, kung ano yung click mo dito, you are saying that you want to match this. So whatever price ang i-click mo, yun yung malalagay dito. And of course, whatever stock you are clicking, yun yung malalagay dito. And then yung number of shares na made-default is actually yung board lot size. If wala ka pang idea about board lot, so make sure to watch my previous video para make sense mo kung ano yung mga information that are displayed here. So right now, I'm just focusing on the shortcuts. So again, if you click halimbawa naman dito sa price, sa sell, so if you want to match the sell, that means halimbawa 134.5. So malalagay siya dito, and then buy naman yung magiging transaction type because you click dito sa ask section. Now, ang shares dito is again yung board lot, but you can actually, halimbawa, pag ang kinilik mo naman is yung size, ayan, so here's what happens. Kung ano yung size na kinilik mo, yun yung magiging number of shares niya. Dahil kinilik mo din yung bid, so magiging sell transaction siya. So again, kung ano yung i-click mo, yun yung tatapatan mo. So if I will click this 38.55 at ask, yun yung magiging price, and then yung volume, yung board lot size, and then yung transaction, yung kabaliktaran ng kinilik mo. And if ang click mo naman is bid, at yung size yung kinilik mo, so you will get an order entry na may parameters na yung price na kinilik mo and yung cumulative sum. So this is actually very helpful if marami kang cash, no? Kasi imagine your number of shares is mas malaki. But again, this allows you na hindi ka na mag-type ng mga parameters. You simply have to, for example, edit yung volume and go straight to your ordering. And then, ang fourth tip that I can share with you is if you want to monitor yung prices ng different stocks that you are interested in, so meron tayo ditong actually available siya dito sa quick links. Ito yung watchlist. Pwede kang mag-add ng stocks dito sa table mo. Ayan. So, in this way, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa quotes, tapos limited lang yung stocks na makikita mo. So, with this watch list, you can essentially, no, meron kang list of stocks where you can monitor yung last price and yung percent change and change. So again, this can be very helpful if you're an active trader and monitoring a lot of stocks. So that's our fourth tip. And yung fifth tip that I'm gonna share with you is yung available na information dito sa research. So if I'm gonna click on this research, so in my previous video, shinare ko yung mga stock picks ni COL Financial, which you can find dito sa Calling the Shots. So if you're interested to find yung mga stock recommendations ng COL, you can go watch our previous video and meron akong in-explain dito how to make use yung stock recommendations ni COL Financial. But there are a lot of other informations here under research. For example, in fundamentals, so meron ditong different researches available for different stocks and you can filter it. Halimbawa, Ayala Corporation. Ayan. And then merong date dito, so meron kang parang quick preview whether these reports are updated or recent. And then what I like here is itong investment guide. So, merong research team si COL Financial that analyzes each company and stock. So, sinamarize niya na dito and meron sila ditong recommendations na call rating, buy. And ito yung kanilang fair value and buy below price. So, meron din ditong dividend yield. So, if you are interested to find kung ano ba yung highest dividend paying stocks, pwede niyong makita dito. And if you click this, pwede mo siyang masort. So, para makita mo kung ano yung pinakamataas under different industries. So, ito kasi is, nililist nito yung stocks for different industries, banks and financials, commercials, etc. So again, this can be very helpful if you are a value investor and you want to access yung call rating ng broker that you can use. And then you can also check dito yung under technicals, meron din ditong technical guide. Ayan. So medyo outdated lang siya. So this needs to be updated. But you can see here yung technical analysis for different stocks. Then, meron ka ditong trend mode, kung ano yung trend niya, whether it's downtrend or uptrend, and some recommendations. So, again, this is just for your guide and you don't have to follow it. But this can be very helpful, no, when it comes to screening your stocks. So those are the practical tips and tricks that I can share with you at this point. Again, this can be very obvious for some, but for others, no, lalo na for newbies, so magandang malaman nyo yung mga bagay na ito. And then another trap naman, no, so this is not a tip or a trick, but this is a trap. So if you're a member sa mga social media forums and you see others posting yung kanilang portfolio, and then makikita mo mataas yung gain, mataas yung percent gain, and then very green sila. So just be mindful lang na these people na pwedeng kilala mo sila, pwedeng hindi. But wala ka kasing assurance kung ano yung quality ng portfolio na sinishare nila. Because as I'm gonna share with you right now, pwede mo actually i-alter ito or medyo dayain. So for example, on this portfolio screen, I can right-click here and click inspect. And pwede ko actually dayain yung values na nadi-display dito. So, halimbawa, I have 5.27%. So, nandito ngayon yan. Yan. So, pwede ko dayain actually yan. So, I have currently 5.27 or pwedeng palugi yan. But pwede mo actually ditong i-edit, no? I-click mo lang yan. Halimbawa, gagawin ko siyang 25%. Yan. Tapos, enter lang. So, 25.27% na siya. Tapos, yung gain loss, pwede mo ring i-adjust. So, here, from 404, so, halimbawa, pwede ko gawing 34,000, no? Parang ganyan. So, tapos ang gagawin ng iba dyan, i-screenshot nila tong portfolio nila, tapos tatakpan nila tong market price, average price. Ang ipapakita lang nila yung gain and loss. Tapos ipapost nila sa mga social media forums, which can actually be very misleading. So make sure lang na you are discerning, no, ng mga portfolio na makikita mo, because you don't know whether they are doing these alterations sa kanilang portfolio. And I would suggest, no, na don't really focus too much dun sa percent gain and percent loss. What I would advise you as an investor is to focus on the strategies. So if you're following a person who claims na guru, so don't focus too much dun sa pinapakita nilang portfolio because wala ka namang napupulot doon sa mga percent gain, percent loss. What I advise you is to focus doon sa trading strategies na tinuturo nila and apply it on your own para malaman mo kung nag-work ba talaga yon. So in other words, don't rely too much on portfolio screenshots because hindi mo naman masasabi kung totoo yon or hindi. And again, focus on investing strategies because yun actually yung may control ka. So that's just a segue lesson in this video. Pag ni-refresh mo naman yan, ayan, so babalik naman siya dun sa pinaka-actual values. So yung mga figures, no, hindi naman nag-update siya dun sa database, pero nag-update lang dun sa, ang tinatawag yan is yung client side or yung user interface. And then yun yung ginagamit nila para makapag-capture ng incorrect screenshots. Okay? So yun actually yung lesson natin for today, some practical tips and tricks and traps na you should be aware of. And if you like this videos, I would appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, leave a thumbs up, like this video, and make sure to click the notification bell para updated ka in my future videos. So thank you guys for watching and hope to see you in our next lesson. God bless us all. Bye-bye!